Hello and welcome back to my 30 videos in 30 day series. Today I'm going to make a clock out of this spacer plate. If you'd like to see how it's done, please stick around. I purchased this clock kit off of Amazon quite a few years ago. It's originally designed to be just this little part here hung on a wall. Then using this template, you stick these numbers to the wall. I never planned on using this template or the numbers, but the clock was about the same price as the clock kits. And I like the hands on it much more than any of the clock kits I could find. All of the clock kits had these really fancy scrolled like brass hands, and I just like the red second hand with the black hour and minute hands. I took this clock piece apart, wanted to remove the mechanism from the housing when I found the housing is two separate pieces. I don't need the rear housing at all. That means I just have to grind out a little bit to fit this square piece in, and then the bezel will be able to cover all of that and only need that thin little bezel there. This is going to work way better than I ever thought. I really wanted to paint this Osseous orange and then with the sander sand off the top of all of these spacer plate channels and around this ring here. I've had too much issue with spray paint this last 48 hours to want to put spray paint on anything right now, so I'm just going to leave it bare metal. Before the beginning of the school year, I may end up painting it orange. Because of that, I'm going to hot glue the mechanism into the body, but I'm not going to glue this front bezel in, so I can remove the bezel, paint it, and then reinstall the bezel afterwards. First, I'm going to want to tape this in from the front to make sure it's exactly centered in this circle. Thank you for watching me build this clock. I've had this spacer plate on my wall in the garage here for a good dozen years, always wanting to turn it into a clock, and I've always just had a couple screws through a couple holes that are already here to hold it up. I plan on bringing this to school now that it's a clock, and most likely will hang it up the same way there that I have here. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, and until next time, peace.